Hotels in Hubli have been forced to return to traditional firewood stuffs following a severe shortage of commercial LPG cylinders. The shortage is reportedly linked to disruptions in petroleum product imports caused by the ongoing Iran-Israel war. With commercial gas cylinders unavailable in the market, many hotel kitchens have stopped using their modern gas stoves. Instead, hotel owners are bringing in truckloads of firewood to keep their kitchens running. Sources say several hotel owners have stocked 10 to 15 quintals of firewood each to manage daily cooking needs. Large firewood stoves have been set up either in the backyards of the hotels or in a corner of the kitchens. Breakfast and lunch are now being prepared on these traditional stoves, reflecting the difficulties faced by the hotel industry amid the ongoing LPG supply crisis.